all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. Okay, we will be checking out the $500 how to make $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, so we will be checking it out together tonight. And of course, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are all that we'll be checking out one after the other, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and of course this had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, right from the resistance zone it sold till it got to this region, had a pullback and played around there for a while, broke out below this particular region to get to the support zone again, and of course at the moment it is still selling, even though it might not be for a very long time. So in case it's unable to break out from the support zone, then it will change the direction of the trend. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend right from here. Okay, and it has been buying since then. There are major pullbacks in between, but it got to this resistance, it wasn't able to go above that, so it had a pullback and it will be going back up again. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend, so you should watch out for that. Okay, and of course this is still buying, of course, okay, until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset should be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and of course it actually went on uptrend. It did more of uptrend than a downtrend, got to this region, was unable to break out above it, and of course it started selling right from there, and of course it sold till it got to the support zone and was unable to break out below it, so it is buying at the moment and may likely buy till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, and if it's unable to break out from there, then it will come back and sell till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will try it out again. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long in case it's unable to break out from the next resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 actually ended the uptrend at this resistance zone, and of course it started the downtrend and broke out below this particular support zone. Okay, and of course it sold more after breaking out from there, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity, although if it's unable to break out from that support zone, then it will change direction into an uptrend. So next asset should be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. This is volatility 75. It's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend when it got to this particular spot. Okay, this particular spot, it's played around there for a while. Okay, it played within this region for a while before breaking out below it at this point to sell more, but it has gotten to this support zone and it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. Once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis or the strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.